How to start a candle making business in Uganda. Hi, welcome to Infant Entrepreneur Videos. Today, we are looking at how to start a candle making business in Uganda. You have found the perfect business idea for making candles and are now ready to take the next step. There is more to starting a candle making business than just thinking about it. We have put together this simple guide to starting your candle making business. Now let's jump in right away. Step 1. Make a plan. You need a clear business plan on how you will start your candle making business in Uganda. A business plan will help you map out the specifics of your business and discover some unknowns. A few important topics to consider are startup costs and who your target customers are. As a startup, I advise you to start this business at your home and use some of your utensils to produce candles. However, you can still buy a candle starter kit at many online stores. The candle kit contains paraffin, gel, soy, beeswax or other wax, wicks, jars, tins or other containers, but keep in mind that you won't need containers if you're solely marketing pillar candles, essential oils for fragrance, coloring agents, packaging supplies, shipping costs of raw products in and finished products out. Step 2. Make research. Before investing time and money into this business, you need to first research this business. Factors you will look out for include among others the following: your targeted market, profitability, challenges, competition. Step 3. Raise capital. After researching your business and making a plan, you need capital to get it off the ground. Capital that is required to start a small candle making business ranges from 1 million Ugandan shillings to 4 million Ugandan shillings. Like I already said, I encourage you to start this business at home first before either opening a store or an outlet. You can raise capital from savings, friends and family, bank loan, government grant, investors. Step 4. Purchase the tools and equipment. Candle making involves the use of tools and equipment. These include the following: wax, paraffin, wicks, jars, tins or other containers. These are molding equipment. Essential oils for fragrance, coloring agents, packaging supplies. Depending on your stage of candle making and your capital and also where you will be making candles from, you may not require all the above-mentioned tools and equipment. If you are currently in Uganda, you can purchase all these tools online at Uglo and they will deliver this equipment to you. Furthermore, constantly be on the lookout for raw material suppliers at the lowest possible cost for maximum profit margins on your sales. Step 5. Start production. After purchasing tools, you need to start producing candles. Start with a few candles at the start. 30 to 50 candles can be okay for the start. Step 6. Promote your business. Last but not least, how to start a candle making business in Uganda is promoting your business. You need to promote your business to attract more customers. You should fully utilize the power of social media. Use social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter to promote your business to your customers. Next is adding adverts on radios, TVs and in newspapers. That is all that is required to start a candle making business in Uganda. What have you picked out most from this? Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.